Okay, so in this video, we are going to start working on creating the main page of the application PetLocator. So make sure that your PetLocator home page is opened. It should be bold here and the name should show up here. Now find an image widget in the basic section of Android Light Library. Drag it onto the screen and put it anywhere for now. And then drag and drop a text widget to put underneath this image. I'm gonna make this image a little bigger. So select it, go to style. Let's make it 150 by 150. And I'm gonna put, okay. So as you can see that when I'm moving widgets, this line, the red line shows up and it tells you exactly the location. So in this case, it's telling you how many pixels away is this widget from the bottom and from the top of the Android body widget that is placed on the screen. So we approximately want it in the middle so it looks nice, and it looks symmetrical according to the design principles that we have learned. So I think that looks good. If you are really interested in putting it exactly in the center, what you can do is you can record these locations. So record the top height, which is 257, put it on a piece of paper. Record the bottom height, which is 355, put it on a piece of paper, and then leave it. And then click on your text widget. You can figure out the location of the pet widget, the text widget. So this one has 416 and 330. So now you want to know that you want to be sure that the combination of this text and the image widget is in the center. So then you can add the height of the image widget and height of the text widget, which is 16, and then put it in the middle so that from here to here is the same height as here to here. Okay, or here. I can show you in class how to do it. All right, so for now, let's just move on to and just focus on putting image inside our image widget here. Okay, so let's select the image widget. We're going to go to the notes section and call this PetLocator button. So the idea is that when the user clicks on this button, the app opens up the location of their pet. Okay, and then you can write the note that this button will open the page that shows the current location of the pet. All right. Okay. And now we are going to go to the styles pane of this image widget, which is now called PetLocator button. And we are going to go to the fill section. So by the way, you can minimize all these sections that you don't need. It's sometimes easier to find what you're looking for this way. All right. So I'm going to go to the fill section, click on image, select either this image or this one. I'm going to select this one, open, and there you have it. Okay, you don't really need to do anything else. So let's go to our text widget. We are going to increase the size a little bit. So to do that, let's go to the typography section. Click on the font size. I think we should make it at least 20. Okay, let's see, 24. Okay, 24. All right, and then I'm gonna edit the text, right click, select edit text, and I'm gonna write down where's Spot. So who is the Spot? Who's Spot? Spot is the widget. It's the pet. Okay, so let's move this our phrase in the center. So you can click on the align center button in the typography section. And actually I'm going to make this bolded so it stands out more. Make sure it's selected before you click on bold. All right, and I'm also going to change the color of this font to slightly grayish to match with the image here. Okay, I think that looks good. Okay, so now I have updated the styling of these two. Okay, and I think I didn't write down any notes for this text. So let's write down the text here. PetLocator text. This widget describes the purpose of the center, the PetLocator button. All right. So now I'm going to go back to my image widget, click on it, go to the interactions section. Okay, so now we are going to add an interactivity to this. So basically the user should be able to click on this image and go to the page where the location of the button of the pet shows up. But I first need to create another page here. So let's go to add page and let's call this page pet location. Okay, and I'm gonna go back, make sure select my widget is selected, image widget is selected. In the interactions, I'm gonna click on click or tap to open a link, and I'm gonna select the link pet location and okay. All right, and now we're gonna go and test it. So click. And we are on the pet location page. All right, next video, we're gonna start working on the pet location page.